Hi everyone, I'm back to share with you a trending street food snack recipe in Vietnam, that is grilled egg or trứng nướng. Firstly, rinse 5 eggs with some salt to partially sterilize it. Punch a hole on top of the egg and pour out the inside. Season with a tablespoon of fish sauce, a teaspoon sugar, and half a teaspoon pepper. Stir well to combine. Pour the egg mixture into a portable jug and fill the empty eggshell with the mixture up to 2/3 full. Steam the eggs for 20 to 30 minutes under very low heat. Avoid high heat, otherwise your eggs will look like this. Then grill over charcoal or in an infrared stove until the shell turn golden brown and smell good. It's ready to serve. For the dipping sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons sugar, a teaspoon salt, some minced chili pepper, juice of 2 kumquats, and some pepper. Serve with some Vietnamese mint and cucumber. You can find this street food snack in Cambodia, Thailand, and now in Vietnam too. Don't hesitate to give it a try next time you see it. See you then.